For over a century, cars ran on petrol, loud, powerful, and familiar. These vehicles shaped our cities, our commutes, and even our culture. The roar of engines and the smell of gasoline became part of daily life, symbols of freedom and progress. But now, the streets are buzzing with something new. Electric cars, sleek, quiet, and futuristic, they glide almost silently, turning heads and sparking curiosity wherever they go. Why the sudden shift? Rising fuel prices and growing environmental concerns are pushing people to rethink how they drive. Smog-filled skies and unpredictable gas costs have made many question the old ways. Electric cars promise zero tailpipe emissions and a cleaner conscience. For city dwellers, that means fresher air and quieter neighborhoods. For drivers, it's a chance to be part of the solution, not the problem. The numbers are staggering. In 2024, over 17 million electric cars were sold worldwide, bringing the global total to nearly 58 million. That's more than ever before, and the pace is only accelerating. This isn't a niche anymore, it's a tidal wave. Electric vehicles are becoming a common sight, from bustling city centers to quiet suburban streets. People are choosing electric for practical reasons, not just for the planet. Lower running costs, fewer moving parts to maintain, and the convenience of charging at home are winning over families and commuters alike. Governments are offering incentives, and engineers are racing to improve batteries. New breakthroughs promise longer ranges and faster charging, making electric cars more accessible than ever. The conversation has moved from if to when electric cars will take over. Automakers, policymakers, and drivers are all part of this global shift. We're witnessing a revolution, much like the leap from horse-drawn carriages to motor cars. The transition is happening in real time, reshaping how we move and live. There are challenges ahead, like building enough charging stations and making batteries more sustainable, but the momentum is unstoppable. The electric car story is unfolding right before our eyes, connecting people across continents and inspiring new ideas about mobility. And it's only just begun. The journey to an electric future is underway, and everyone's invited to be part of it.